Hello everyone, let me introduce to you installation steps of an integrated weather sensor. So let's start with this. We need to prepare the integrated weather sensor first. Install the cable, install the hoop, includes wrench compass. You can use the compass on your phone instead. The installation cable is a pin roll plug. 4-core installation cable. Unscrew the screws before installing first. Take it out and plug it into the sensor. Secondly, put in the spring, gasket, and finally, the screws. What we're going to do is we're going to fix the sensor. Place the sensor in a mass between 60 and 75 in diameter. After fixing, you can tighten it twice with screws first. See top. The sensor has an arrow and an N on it. Need to proceed to point north. Next, we open the compass on the phone. First, look north, then adjust the direction. Point the arrow to the north. After adjustment, we use a live spanner. The live wrench needs to be prepared by the user. Tighten with a live wrench. Tighten until the sensor does not shake. Next, we start to connect the cable. First, the groove part of the roll plug. Align the position of the horizontal socket groove under the sensor. Make a pair docking. Tighten with an outer nut after insertion. After tightening, we need wiring. Red square. Connect the SHA-4 positive electrode of the DC power supply. Black connection SHA-4 power supply negative electrode. Yellow connection RS485A. Blue connection RS485B.